Good morning. We're going to go ahead and on this 2013 Hyundai Elantra, we're going to replace the airbag spiral contact coil. You can also use this to remove, showing you to remove the airbag assembly from the steering wheel. First, you take a punch. You're going to pop it through these holes. Inside the hole is a little spring clip. You push it far enough and it pops the spring clip open and pushes the airbag away from the steering wheel. It's a quick release system. So once you get the punch through each hole, it'll pop each one out. And there should be 3 of them. One on the left, one on the right, and one at the bottom center of the steering wheel assembly. You'll see them when you look to the side of the steering wheel. Once we get that popped out, we're going to go ahead and unplug the airbag. Here we show the bolt removal for some reason. That nut, loosen that. Go ahead and when you unplug these, make sure the battery is disconnected first. When that battery is disconnected, wait at least 15 minutes to de-energize the system. And then you use the little orange plastic tabs, very carefully pop them up. When those are pulled up all the way, then the yellow connector can be released from the back of the airbag. Here we show it going on and off so that you can see what the connector looks like and how it works. The little orange tabs lock the connector in place. Once again, simply carefully pull that connector out. Now we get to the center here, marking the center of the steering wheel so we don't go put the steering wheel in the wrong position when we put it back, because there is no center spline on the steering wheel, steering shaft. And then we plug in or unplug the spiral contact connectors from the front, and then the back behind the steering wheel. There's 2 connectors as well. Once we pull that apart, there are 3 clips that hold the spiral contact to the turn signal switch assembly or the multi-switch assembly. You unclip those 3 clips and pull it off. The new spiral contact assembly has a center locking piece so that we don't spin the spiral. And that center locking piece must stay on there until you slide the spiral contact in place. That ClockSpring assembly or spiral contact assembly. Once it's pushed in place, you can connect the 2 connectors in the back. And then you can pull the safety bag off the connectors. Three clips. 1, 2, 3. See that? Okay, there's a centering piece we'll pull out after we install it. Make sure the wheel is in the straight ahead position. Push this one on till all 3 clip like that. And then we pull this one out. And now we get the steering wheel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.